Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, I wanted to go ahead and do another hair tutorial. Let's get into it, okay? I got this new ponytail. I've been having pretty much I've been going through like a ponytail phase. So I've been trying ponytails from every different brand. So for today, we're doing the Organique Pony Pro. This is an easy wrap ponytail. It literally took me 2-3 minutes to do this. So easy. The way it comes is just a style that you can go to and be done in seconds. So if you are interested in seeing how to use this Pony Pro, then stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. Bye. This is the Organique Pony Pro. This is the 24-inch one, natural Yaky, so that it will match my texture. I also have the 32-inch one, but it's pretty similar to that one, so we're not going to do both. But it comes like this. It has this band here with the part that you wrap around right there. This is how the other side looks. There is one comb right here, and we're about to wrap this. Go around my bun here, and this comb is sideways, so I'm going to put the comb into right around where my bun is. Wrap this around, making sure to hold the width. Wrap it around again. Now I'm separating this part that I have to use to wrap around, so that when I come back around I can use that. So I'm going to do this and wrap this around, and then I'm going to flip the ponytail in a second, but first I need to wrap that around. Just like that. And I'll just wrap that underneath really tight. And then fluff out the ponytail. It's my new favorite style, you guys. So easy. And here is our Organique Pony Pro. You can see it here. I'm leaning down so y'all can see. It's so pretty. The hair is a natural texture, so it blends in with my natural texture. And throw the hair back here so you can see it. Alright beauty, so you guys were able to see how easy it is to wrap this ponytail. I'm a beginner, and you see I didn't even have to use a bobby pin to wrap this. That's how easy this ponytail is. You can see close up how it looks up here. The wrap is really tight. It is not loose at all, and I am here for it. I absolutely love this ponytail. I definitely recommend it for anybody who's looking for an easy style to go. This is going to be my new go-to style while I'm in the middle of wearing wigs, so that I can let my hair breathe. But yes honey, let me go ahead and back up so you guys can see it further back and see the full thing. This is the length at 24 inches. So yes, I definitely highly recommend that you guys get this ponytail if you're looking for a quick and easy style. This is the one. This is the easiest ponytail that I've used. out of all the ponytails that I've tried. So I highly recommend it. I have some more ponytails I'm going to be trying with you guys. So stay tuned to my channel because I ordered about 3 more. So we're about to have a ponytail series since I'm obsessed right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful because there's only one you. Bye.